Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Solutions Architect Professional SAP. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AWS SAP is: explain the differences between Amazon Aurora and traditional relational database systems. Your answer should be: Amazon Aurora is a fully managed relational database engine designed for high performance and scalability, offering features like auto-scaling, multi-master replication, and storage auto-scaling. Traditional relational database systems typically require manual scaling, lack built-in replication, and high availability features, and may have higher maintenance overhead. Our next interview question is: what is the AWS Global Accelerator and how does it improve application performance? Your answer should be: AWS Global Accelerator is a networking service that improves the availability and performance of your applications by routing user traffic to the nearest AWS edge location based on latency and health checks. It reduces latency and improves application performance by leveraging the AWS Global Network infrastructure. Our next interview question is: how do you design a disaster recovery strategy for AWS services? Your answer should be: designing a disaster recovery strategy for AWS services involves implementing multi-region redundancy using services like Amazon Route 53 for DNS failover, replicating data across regions using services like Amazon S3 cross-region replication and Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployment, and regularly testing and updating the recovery plan. Our next interview question is: what are the benefits of using Amazon Elastic File System EFS over Amazon EBS? Your answer should be: Amazon EFS is a fully managed file storage service that provides scalable shared file storage for Linux-based workloads. It offers benefits over Amazon EBS such as scalability, that is, no need to provision storage in advance, shared access across multiple instances, and automatic storage scaling based on workload demand. Our next interview question is: how do you implement data caching in AWS for improving application performance? Your answer should be: data caching in AWS can be implemented using services like Amazon Elastic Cache for caching data in memory or Amazon CloudFront for caching content at edge locations. By caching frequently accessed data closer to the end users, you can reduce latency and improve application performance. Our next interview question is: what is Amazon FSx and how is it used for file storage? Your answer should be: Amazon FSx is a fully managed file storage service that provides scalable and highly available file systems compatible with Windows File Server, that is Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, or Lustre, Amazon FSx for Lustre. It simplifies file storage provisioning and management for Windows-based or high-performance computing workloads. Our next interview question is explain the concept of AWS Lambda event sources. Your answer should be AWS Lambda event sources are services or resources that trigger the execution of Lambda functions. Event sources can include services like Amazon S3, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon SQS, and more. Lambda functions can be automatically invoked in response to events from these sources. If you are preparing for any AWS based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.